And again, hit your head on the side of the hood. On the sharp part, keeps you awake. The anger will sustain you.
Chris Smash.
The next question is going to be, what is the best angle to get in there and weld? Well, you know what? This one, actually broke, but loose.
Aha!
So we got one for sure. That's not going to be the end of the world.
The inside one, I'm guessing?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. The outside one that's really, really bad, that's the one that's not good. That's going to be tight. Well, let's throw some oil on it.
All right.
Now that I can see it, to throw oil on it. To mix the transmission fluid and the acetone, you need a steel container. It'll eat right through the, eat straight through your plastic stuff. WD-40 and transmission fluid works good too. Acetone is better. So, but you put your WD-40 and your transmission fluid into a plastic spray bottle, which is way easier, way more convenient. You can have your steel container. Would you believe that that's with just the acetone stuff on there? It feels like it might move.
That's the outer one?
No, the inner one.
Oh, okay.
Oh no, we're not worried about the other one just yet. We're gonna put some more stuff on it. Just keep lubing it, and then what we'll do is the next step will be to lock a pair of vice grips on it. But the acetone will creep. And that's what we want. So guys, we're just trying to lock a pair of vice grips onto the broken stud that's moving. I've lubricated it. It looks like it's moving really good, actually.
Nice.
Yeah. Surprisingly good. Like why did it break good?
Yeah, that's kind of weird.
Like, look at this. That's...
Oh, wow.
Yeah. That penetrating oil just is wonderful.
Well, the ice water ferry came by.
Awesome. Look at this. So that oil with the acetone and the wow.
Oh yeah.
Acetone, and now just to give you an idea, guys, you can see on the threads here how far that acetone creeped with the transmission
fluid. I can see it exactly.
So it broke out here and it creeped in on the threads.
Is that bent?
Oh yeah, totally. It started to bend before it broke.
Wow.
Yep. So that broke loose. That's the best kind of broken bolt.
Yeah.
So we're gonna have to get a bolt, unless we took extra bolts from the wrecker. I don't remember.
I think we did.
I want to say we did too, but I don't remember. So that's a thing.
Yeah, I remember we took some because we said just in case they break here.
Okay, we were smart. Okay.
So we kept the top ones.
Right. Now, what does the other one look like? The other ones, we're not going to get to. There's no way. So this one has a little head that's sticking out. And it is not happy.
Yeah, not enough to grab on, huh?
No threads or anything like that either. It snapped much. It's still protruding, but it snapped much closer to the edge of the block. So we'll get a nut that's roughly the right size. See if there's any thread on there at all. Go tighten my nuts. There's a good chance that we're not going to find any thread here, but we'll go fishing for some. No.
No.
Sitting on the stud there, but that's it. So one of the options is basically what we do is we put that on, we sit it there, we fill this with weld. It will make this super hot, and then what we do is put a wrench on it
While it's hot.
while it's hot. Well, not too hot because so it's a thing.
Yeah.
It's just got to stay there when we first tack it.
Yeah.
All right. You want to flick me on? Make sure we're on high.
All ready?
Yep. Boom. look fancy. It look like I know what I'm doing.
Yeah. Now it's Baron's garage or Duke's garage.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Good luck. Good luck, but no luck. So just let that rest up for a second. Without a welder, you're in pretty bad shape for this one.
Mm-hmm.
Like that nut was glowing red, man. Like,
Oh wow.
that was definitely hot. So let's see if we got anything here. I think it's moving.
Really?
Yeah. Turns out I get skills, Mark. Like you don't want to touch it because it's crazy hot. I wanted to touch it. I'm sure you guys saw that. Okay, so that was a little less peasanty than normal, but
Yeah. Well, I mean, the peasant solution would have been easy. It doesn't have AC.
yes, that's true.
Yeah. Peasant solutions open your windows.
Yeah, see, but you know, if you have a welder, you can go and make yourself a bolt.
Yeah. There you go. Well, that's part of the peasant garage ethos too, right? If you got other skills, sometimes they come in handy.
Other tools.
Yeah, if you're a landscaper, that skill might come in handy. If you're a welder, it might come in handy. You never know.
Yep. Oh, if you're a welder, yeah, definitely handy.
Yeah.
I bought a MIG a while back, and I bought a MIG because I wanted to be able to do more. I wanted to be able to take stuff off. And when I end up in this situation, it gives you another level of tools to get stuff done with. And that's why I bought the welder. Now I bought this old Mastercraft one. I've had this for 15 years. Been a great welder. Really no issues. I don't even use shielding gas. This is all straight flux core welding with 110. No 220.
Oh wow.
That's what just got this done. So
Yeah.
you don't need the most expensive welder. You just need a welder. So it's good. It's good. We will make sure we put this away. I know I got a messy welding cart. Don't comment to me that I got a messy welding cart. I know I have a lot of things that are messy besides my welding cart. So it's one of those things. I work with what I got. I'm a peasant.
Oh, you know what? We said we better keep the bolts, and then I forget which one of us said that we hope that they're the same length all around, which I imagine they are, but
They probably are.
yeah. All right. Water break.
Awesome. I was not happy about those broken bolts, and I was like, oh, for sake.
Yeah.
Well, it's a compressor, so it's certainly going to spin better than the other one did. Once we get it, lay my heaters on it. I mean, okay, how are you holding it?
With one hand.
We're going to go here. That's where it's got to land.
Oh, get in.
I'm close.
Oh.
I'm close. I mean, I got it in by.
Oh, all right.
Well, it's 2 threads.
Yeah, enough to hold it so that we can put the other one in.
Yeah. Let's see if I can get this one started a little bit here, a little bit more. It looks like it's happy. Just having thoughts. There we go. We're tightening up now. And my new shiny new O-ring kit. Find new seals. They're pretty ringy. We're doing this the peasant way, guys. We have no idea if this air conditioning is going to work, but we're just doing it. We're giving it our best shot. I don't have the tools to evacuate stuff. If it works, we might take it to a shop and get it evacuated. But for now, we're just gonna work with what we got, which is not a hell of a lot. Get that seal off here.
Oh, yes.
Yeah, see that one? It just looks it looks flattened and dry. And a little bit hard. And this is where you're gonna get an air conditioning leak. It wasn't leaking before, but when you pull it apart, you will definitely get a leak. From it. This one's gonna be hardened as well.
Yeah,
right?
true.
So, the problem is if you put too big of a seal on there, now you're gonna fight to put it back together. You don't want
We'll see if it's a fight, really.
We're about to find out. That looks like it's gonna fit in there just fine. Grab my trusty little 1/4 inch here. Let's see if that pushes together nicely. Looks like it will. Don't know what the torque spec is, but it's going to be tight. All right. Well, that's one on there. Oh. These ones look a little bit more fantastic. They look flatter and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Were they smushed from being on there?
That's a good question. I don't know.
Because they look, and they kind of look round now, but they were flat when they were stretched around that thing.
Don't do a lot of AC stuff.
Yeah. It's part of the peasant ethos. It's cheap and we got the time, so give it a shot. Because if it works, you're saving yourself a lot of money.
Yep.
But it's far from being a guaranteed repair.
Yes, in this case.
Yeah. And it's not going to blow up the car. So that's the thing. It's the risk, the time, and the money is all the stuff you're putting together.
Yep. So I think we're going to go with that guy.
You know what? Yeah, that looks beautiful.
It's going to stretch out a little bit. Fine.
All right. What? Something fall?
Nope.
No.
I don't think anything fell. I'm just trying to figure out which bolt we're supposed to use here. Because they are a little bit different depending if you're mounting the compressor or if you're mounting.
Oh, right.
This one looks a little corroded and stuff, but that's fine. I mean, it's fine. It's gonna do it.
It's patina.
Yep. See, I'm actually, believe it or not, my torque ski method is actually working at taking some junk out of there. Oh, crapola. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Look at that. It's like it was made to go there.
Yeah.
It was definitely a little, there's definitely some corrosion and stuff in there.
Well, I mean, yeah, if it wasn't even going through,
oh yeah,
it must have been packed with.
I don't know how the hell I got it off, to be honest with you, but I guess just pry bars and just keep prying on stuff.
I guess.
Yeah. If you break it, you still don't have air conditioning. So.
Yeah, exactly.
Torque to spec here. Make sure you get that to foot pounds with your 1/4 inch. With your 1/4 inch.
Yeah.
1/4 inch. Yeah. On the 1/4 inch. Don't use the 3/8, it'll break it.
Yeah.
Don't get to the point where you have a shart. For those of you who don't know what a shard is, it's when you eat one too many gas station sandwiches and then you try to do something strenuous. There we go. Did the same thing about that on the 1/4 inch. All right. So I'm gonna need a valvey thingy.
All right, where's the valvey thingy?
Because we lost the valvey thingy that was in there. But I'm gonna have to fill it with oil first.
Ah, yes.
So might as well go and figure that out.
63. 66. 69. Nice.
Nice. And then we're going to start it. See if we can get it to suck down some of that oil.
Sweet.
Yeah, some of that sweet, sweet air conditioning nectar. Let's see what we can do here. So I'm just gonna push this clip in, and it should make a very positive engagement noise. Like, there you go. See?
Definitely positive and engagey.
That's a Bosch connector for you. They're good when they work.
Something else you want to say there, Chris?
Nope. Keep doing a great job, Bosch.
Feels like it.
I think so too.
Yeah.
I think we're very close here.
I'd have to say so, though. I mean, I don't think the whole car is that cold that it would. I mean, by now the engine would have warmed up the engine bay.
No, I'm definitely. No, this is like getting cold. This is getting like cold.
Oh yeah.
We're on our way. So, yes. Like cold.
Oh yeah.
Like, yeah.
So that's 100%. That's air conditioned.
Yeah.
Nice.
It's been such a long road, man.
Yeah.
It's been a long road. That's awesome.